In this video, I'm going to show you how to export to Unreal and to VFX. So I've got my program written. Obviously, I'm not set up with the green screen or anything like that, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the process. It's pretty simple. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to your hamburger menu, and right there at the top, it says Export VFX. So at this point, you've got the option to either export to VFX or to Unreal. When you export to Unreal, it exports a Python script, which gets read into Unreal as camera actors, and that includes all of the motion and everything. Just as a tip on that, you see camera position down here. When you use the Unreal export, once you load that in, it's really difficult to move your camera path. So what people do is they actually move the environment around the camera path as necessary. But if you do want to adjust it before you export the position of the camera, then all you do, you can use these values, your XYZ, right there. For VFX, you can also adjust those values. Once you have them set, you can select, where you want to export this to. Maybe it's a USB drive, maybe it's somewhere else on this drive. You say save, and you hit export, and it exports the file to that location, and you're ready to pull it and load it into your favorite software. Stay tuned. We're gonna make a complete video on how to load that into Unreal and how to use those VFX files, at least the basics on those. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.